Greetings! I'm Dev the Developer. This lesson is about the DOM, the Document Object Model. We will look at what it is, how it represents an HTML document as a tree, and how to navigate it using Chrome's developer tools. When a browser loads an HTML page, it does not just display the text. It parses the HTML and builds an internal model of the document. That model is the Document Object Model, or DOM for short. The DOM is a programming interface for web documents. It represents every element on the page as an object in memory. Headings, paragraphs, images, links, each of those is a node on the DOM. And because it lives in a live model in memory, you can read it, modify it, and respond to it through code. Right now, in this course, we care about the DOM for one reason: understanding the structure of a page. When you inspect an element, when you debug a layout issue, when something is not rendering the way you expected, the DOM is where you go to find out why. The DOM is organized as a tree. Every node in the tree is either a parent, a child, or a sibling of another node. The root node of the tree is the HTML element. Everything else branches out from there. In this example, HTML is the root. It has two children, head and body. The head contains a title, the body contains a header and a paragraph, and an unordered list. The unordered list contains two list items, which are siblings of each other and children of the unordered list. The parent-child-sibling vocabulary shows up constantly in web development. Get comfortable with it now. Throughout this lesson, I will be talking about Chrome's developer tools, but these are not specific to Chrome. These are available in Edge, in Firefox, and in Vivaldi, which I use as an example in this lesson. Being aware of the developer tools and using them is the same in any browser. You can also open DevTools with Control-Shift-I on Windows and Linux, or Command-Option-I on Mac. The Elements panel shows the HTML structure of the page as the browser parsed it. This is the DOM, not just the original source file. If the browser had to correct any errors in your HTML, or if JavaScript has modified the page since it's loaded, what you see here reflects the current state. Hovering over a node in the panel highlights its visual representation on the page. That two-way connection makes it easy to locate elements and understand what's going on. Nodes can be expanded and collapsed. Use arrow keys to move between siblings, or click the triangle to reveal children. The search bar at the top of the element panel lets you search by tag name, ID, class, or attribute. The element panel is not read-only. You can make live changes directly inside it. These changes are temporary. They are gone the moment you reload the page, but they are extremely useful for experimenting before you commit a change to your actual files. Double-click on some text content to edit it. Double-click on an attribute to change its value. In the Styles pane on the right, you can modify CSS applied to selected elements in real time. This is one of the most useful tools in your workflow. When something does not look right, open the Elements panel and investigate. Do not guess and redeploy. Find it first. Well, that's the DOM, a live tree of objects representing your page. The Elements panel is your window into it. Feel free to explore and don't just watch it, do it.